And something else to take to the pool, obviously, sunglasses. We all have them. Aviator, shields, Ray-Bans, big ones, small ones, round ones, and square ones. What do you consider those ones?
Rectangular ones.
The fashion statements you can make with the right pair of sunglasses are endless.
But in addition to looking good, sunglasses play an important part in keeping your eyesight healthy. The most widespread protection from sunglasses is against ultraviolet radiation, which can cause many short-term and long-term eye problems.
Sunglasses can also improve visual comfort on a bright day, especially while on the beach or driving. Polarized sunglasses reduce glare from looking at me. From surfaces such as water and are popular among fishermen because they allow wearers to see into the water when normally only glare would be seen.
So appreciate your sunglasses for what they are. Much more than just a fashion statement, obviously,
I don't know.
Elizabeth.
I don't know about
I'm a fashionable guy, and don't leave home without them.